Hey, how's everybody doing out there today? So, we're on the way home here from Louisville Truck Show, and boy, it was a good time. Hope everybody that went had a great time. Got a lot to talk about, learned a lot. Maybe I'll do a live stream when I get back home, but had to stop for gas, and I thought, hey, I got one of my fuel stops here for the DIY semi-fuel card up here. It's at the Hucks in Farmer City, Illinois. Nice little place. I've never been here before. Oh, there's a big old sign on that tanker right there. Never been here before, so wanted to stop and check it out. The discount today here is 31.5 cents a gallon. We're 10 cents better than the mud flap price here today, so check that out if you're still using mud flap. I'll put the link in the description below to some good fuel discounts. And over there's also a Casey's. That's in our network, but the price is better here at Hucks and Best. Place is really clean. They got showers, they got food. The bathrooms were really clean. I went in the bathrooms, so a lot of what you're looking for when you're out on the road. But give the smaller places like this a chance to earn your business. They want your business, so giving good discounts. Just right off the interstate here, they got over there, they got truck parking, so they do have truck parking. I had an idea next year going to Louisville. I should stop at every one of my network fuel stops along the way and check them out, make sure they're up to snuff, do a little video on each one of them. But anyway, just wanted to show you this place. Good fuel discounts, clean, friendly. Join me later, we'll do a little live stream and talk about everybody we saw and everything we did at Matt's this year. Everybody take care, we'll see you later.